Hey everybody, Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and today we're talking about Universal Studios. Universal Studios is one of the most popular theme parks in Orlando that guests love to visit and still make at least 2 days when adding this theme park to their itinerary. But what? You've only got 2 days set aside for Universal? Well, we're going to go over which rides and attractions you don't want to miss so you can get the full Universal Orlando experience while on your Orlando vacation. But before we get into all of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of when these awesome videos pop up. All right, let's get into it. If you are a fan of the Harry Potter movies, and which, come on, who isn't? I love the Harry Potter movies. So if you're a fan of the Harry Potter movies and you've never visited Universal Orlando before, then we recommend you complete the first day of your 2-day Universal Studios itinerary at Universal Studios. Universal is made up of 3 theme parks. Today, we're only going to be talking about 2 of them, okay? The 3 that they have are Universal Studios and Universal Studios Islands of Adventure. And if you're able to squeeze in that extra day, we recommend you hit that 3rd park, which is Universal's Volcano Bay. But like I said, today, we're just going to talk about Universal Studios and Universal's Islands of Adventure on your 2-day Universal itinerary. So, we're at Universal Studios, we're right at the entrance. You will probably hear screaming from the thrilling Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket. If you are visiting Universal Studios right when the park opens, we suggest you try this ride in the evening before you leave the park for 2 reasons. 1, it lights up at night, and riding a coaster at night is awesome. 2, most people are in line for this right when they first enter the park because, well, it's the first thing you see when you enter, okay? So, forget that. Go past that, go check some other things out, and then come back on your way out. The lines are going to be shorter. Another popular ride in this area is Revenge of the Mummy, which is recently reopened after having some refurbishments to the ride. This one will also have a long line, so we recommend you hit this area in the evening. Universal Studios did a great job with the Race Through New York starring Jimmy Fallon ride, where you can sign up in a virtual queue so you don't have to wait in line as long. Now, if we just get them to do the same with the other rides, it would be awesome. Transformers The Ride 3D is another fun one, and it's family friendly. So you get to ride along with Optimus Prime and the other Autobots to help save Earth. Before we head over to Harry Potter area in Universal Studios, make sure you fight alongside the Men in Black Alien Attack attraction. Honestly, I can't say this enough. The Fast and the Furious ride is the best ride. I can't even finish that sentence. If you want to skip that ride, go ahead. Skip that ride. Unless you're a super die-hard Fast and Furious fan, skip that ride. This is more slow and slightly agitated. Now, do you remember when we mentioned if you were a Harry Potter fan that we wanted you to visit Universal Studios first on your 2-day Universal itinerary? If you don't remember that, that's okay. You can rewind. The reason we want you to visit Universal Studios first is because if you want the full Harry Potter experience, you gotta start just like Harry Potter does in the movies. He visits Diagon Alley. You will walk behind the brick wall where you will enter Diagon Alley filled with shops and restaurants just like the Harry Potter movies. The wand ceremony is a must experience for the Harry Potter fans. The most popular attraction in this area will be Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. This is the perfect time to sip on a butterbeer while you wait with your family. If you take the single rider line, you're gonna miss a lot of the detail set up inside Gringotts Bank. So, if this is your first time, you know what? Maybe don't skip the line just yet. Do that later. If you come to Diagon Alley section of Universal Studios first thing in the morning, most guests will still be riding the attractions near the entrance, so you're not gonna have to wait as long. Okay, let's jump to the second day. For the second day of our 2-day Universal itinerary, we suggest you spend the whole day at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Just like the first day where we suggested visiting the Harry Potter area first, Universal's Islands of Adventure also has a Harry Potter area in this theme park. This time, you get to experience Hogsmeade, where you can finally see the Hogwarts castle in person. Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey is a ride located inside the castle and is very popular, so you want to ride it probably right after trying to get on Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Holy cow, that's a great coaster. And because it's a great coaster, we've seen this ride be over 200 minutes. Okay, so try to get there before the crowds get to that area. Okay, then you're gonna wanna head over to Jurassic Park, especially If you love thrills and you want to see the thrill of your life, you gotta go to Jurassic World Velocicoaster. To us, this is the wildest coaster we've ever seen at Universal. So if you love adrenaline, this ride is a must for your trip. While Disney does technically own Marvel, Universal Orlando has the Marvel Universe full of rides based on their superheroes and villains. The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man is a great ride, similar to Transformers at Universal Studios, but the storyline is different, so you'll want to check it out. The Incredible Hulk is by far the best superhero attraction, with plenty of thrills as you experience a zero-gravity roll and speeds up to 67 miles an hour. Don't worry, you won't really be hit with gamma radiation like the Hulk, but smashing through the sky is fun. Dr. Seuss Land is great for younger kids. If you are worried that Universal Orlando does not have any kid-friendly attractions, well, stop worrying, we do. During the holidays, this area turns into Whoville, where you get to meet the Grinch himself. The Cat in the Hat ride is one of the most popular attractions in this section of Universal Islands of Adventure. If you visit Universal Studios when kids are in school, there will be less crowds. So you will honestly be able to experience every single ride at each park, so you can truly say you've seen everything. We've only covered the top attractions and must-dos if you only have a 2-day itinerary for Universal Studios. We have more in-depth videos on our channel where we go over in more detail about each park and their attractions, so be sure to check those out. Universal Studios packages are available at their lowest rates right now, and you can get the best prices guaranteed by calling one of our reservation specialists at 1-800-641-4008 today to get your discount Universal Studios tickets. And of course, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices. We also have a bunch of, blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.